Okay, welcome back tutors and teachers. Now let's look at the character analysis. Who's the main character of Othello? Obviously, it is Othello himself. So now let's look at the characteristics that shape him for how we know him. So one of the first characteristics is as noble savage. He is actually deriving from an African heritage and he's heroic in war. He's a victim to Iago's plotting and he's a victim to romantic jealousy. And he internalizes this racial inferiority about himself. Not only is he a social outsider to the white Venetian society, he also suffers from a low self-esteem. Okay? And he's actually a cultural and racial outsider in Venice. Although he is a general in full martial and political command of Venice, nonetheless, he cannot forget the fact that he's a North African. He begins very eloquently in the Senate, but later becomes utters very incoherent gibberish in speech as jealousy takes over. And increasingly we note that his speech becomes very stunted. And he's able to be very charismatic in front of Desdemona and charm her with his exotic appeal. But nonetheless, he is very self-conscious. He is very vulnerable to jealousy because he is black in skin color and he does not look as good looking as the white Cassio. And he is a middle-aged person and Iago's ridiculous puppet.